So we introduced a whole new line of our zone valve controls as well as our switching relays. So we added some features to here. First thing you'll see on the control, we gave you a place to label the zones, just to make it nice and neat and simple for you. But then the other improvements that we've done is we've made it 2 screws and a hinge. Comes off just that simple. We've also made some clearance for electrical connections that come across the bottom and giving you plenty of room to wire on the inside. So those are just some of the physical improvements. We'll also see some software improvements here too. So now we have ways to customize the system and optimize it to your house. Gain as much efficiency as possible by coming into the Takeo Control app. We can see things on what's on, what's off. We can customize what's turning on by different functions and features in the system itself. So again, just bringing it to the next generation and making them as efficient as possible.